Alexandra Ambrosio gets summer ready in black sandal heels in Los Angeles. Alexandra Ambrosio was spotted in a model off-duty look while in Los Angeles on Friday. The Peruvian-born model sported a pair of black strappy sandal heels. The summer staple featured a thin sturdy strappy constructions accompanied by breezy open and triangular toes. Although they were not visible, Alexandra Ambrosio's heel appeared to be in a stiletto style, standing at around 2 to 3 inches in height, offering the already tall model a boost. As we transition into summer, celebrities have started to slowly gravitate toward sandal styles. The silhouettes can be found in a variety of colors and silhouettes from brands like Steve Madden, Aldo, Darrow, and Versace. Celebrities like Halle Bieber, Rihanna, Kendall Jenner, Selena Gomez, and Katie Holmes have all opted for sandal styles in the past. Along with her sandals, Alexandra Ambrosio donned an all-white ensemble consisting of leather and suede shorts and a blowing boho blouse. The model's shorts were belted as for accessories. The star toted a white woven mini bag along with sunglasses and lots of jewelry. In a similar style, the former Victoria's Secret Angel opted for sleek and simple neutral sandals for her romp in the city back in May. The casual style was comprised of glossy tan leather uppers that transitioned into pointed open toes, offering the style the perfect summery twist. As for her outfit, Alexandra Ambrosio opted for a bright red muse length dress featuring a collared neckline and a long leg climbing slit up the front. When it comes to shoes, the Brazilian personality can be seen in a range of looks including sharp sneakers by Golden Goose, recent favorite Rom labels like Gianvito Rom and alongside pumps by Christian Louboutin, Serena Usagide and Giuseppe Zanotti. Alexandra Ambrosio's off-duty looks usually incorporate flip-flops from Havanias or the eco-friendly brand Green Flip-Flops. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more information.